Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an important topic that's natural and essential for many of us, the menstrual cycle. Let's get started.
First off, what exactly is the menstrual cycle? The menstrual cycle is a monthly process that a woman's body goes through to prepare for a pregnancy. It involves changes in the ovaries, uterus lining, and it typically lasts for 28 days.
So why does the menstrual cycle happen? The cycles happen to prepare the body for pregnancies. Each month, an egg is released from one of the ovaries in a process called ovulation. If the egg is fertilized in the lining of the uterus sheath, resulting in the menstruation commonly known as your period.
When will your first period start and when will it end? Most girls get their first period between the ages of 10 and 15, but it can vary. Menstruation continues until menopause, which usually happens between the ages of 45 and 50.
Why does the menstrual cycle change date every month? The length of the menstrual cycle can vary from month to month due to factors like stress, diet, exercise, and hormonal change. It's completely normal for there to be someone variation.
What are the signs that your period is coming? Common signs include mood swings, bloating, cramps, breast tenderness, and fatigue. Everyone experiences it differently, so you might notice different symptoms.
What are the hygiene practices during menstruation? It's important to change your pad or tampon every 4 to 8 hours to prevent infection. Wash your hand before and after changing sanitary product and shower regularly to keep clean.
What may happen if you don't maintain proper hygiene during menstruation? Not keeping clean can lead to infections, bad odor, and discomfort. It's crucial to have good hygiene to stay healthy.
How do you properly dispose of your used napkin? Wrap in the toilet paper or the packaging and came in and throw it in bin. Never flush sanitary product down to the toilet as they can cause blockage.
And that's a wrap on our menstrual cycle Q&A. Remember, it's a part of life and it's something to not be embarrassed about. So stay informed, stay healthy, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching.